This land was once a scriptor, writing us in roots that creep into the earth's heart, etching fate in the ink of rain, singing history through the veins of trees that now lie fallen, stripped of memory. But we walk too far, crossed the borders marked by ancestor, forgot the hymns of birds, tore maps drowned by the wine, replaced the field with blades of steel. Now the land gazes at us from its wounded lips, hissing through its vector skin. Who are you? What do you seek within my body? Mountains clench their silence. Forests buried their folktales. Rivers veil the mirrors that once reflected our faces. We call ourselves heirs, but the land no longer knows our name. It does not reject, nor does it embrace, it only remains silent. And we know silence is an omen for the first second. Look, our feet no longer touch the earth, they hover in tiny air, above a land that has erased our names, without shedding a single tear.